she was bringing somebody who might be interested to buy my house, because I was selling my house at that time in Bel Air, Makati. So I said yes. So he arrived with Miss Napoles and another girl. And we talked. I showed her the house. And in that conversation, I asked her what her business was. And she told me she was a supplier of the government. She did government contracts. She also mentioned to me that for me to introduce her to my politician friends, like Senator Estrada, because I was the former social secretary of the father of Senator Estrada. She didn't buy my house, though. She didn't end up buying my house. But after that, she had befriended me and invited me for lunch, invited me to her office to show me the things that she was supposed to be supplying. Did a lot of scaparate. Display.
With a lot of display.
With a lot of things there. And I asked her what are those things. So it's for fertilizer, it was for this. She had a lot of like sprayers and things that she even said she supplied with the DOTC. So I don't really understand much of those. I'm not a farmer. I didn't grow up in the province or anything like that. So I just looked at it and I said, okay. And she actually kept on telling me, pakilala mo ko. So I said, okay. So I told, can I call Senator Estrada Jinggoy? Since she calls me Tita Rubiz, it's okay. So I asked Jinggoy, I told Jinggoy, this woman wants to meet you. Supplier daw siya, baka she can do your projects. Jinggoy refused. He didn't want. He didn't want to meet her personally. Okay, so, but still, I asked, oh, will you give her na lang the contract through me? So I told, when I told Miss Napoles, ayaw kanyang makilala. Sabi niya, hindi, sabihin mo, nagbibigay ako ng komisyon of 40%. Okay? So, I relayed that same message. Then, I was given a project at that time. Diba? I was given a project. But for reasons, I guess, only known to him, after he gave me that project, na-kinancel niya, binawi. I had given...
Sino po nagbigay ng project?
Si Jinggoy.
Si Jinggoy, okay.
Then, nagbigay na ako ng parang down payment, something like that. Parang, what you call that? Parang earnest money. Hindi naman. Upon verbal agreement, parang advance, para makita talaga.
How much would that be?
Ano ba?
Yeah, yung project at saka yung commission, magkano yun?
Can I look at my...
Yes, please.
Okay. The project was 37.5.
37.5 million.
Yes. And
yung commission po,
5.7.
5.7 million ang commission.
Mm-hmm. But for reasons only known to...
So you gave this 5.7
yes.
commission? Yes?
Yes, but he returned it.
He returned it. What were the circumstances when you gave it? Where did you give it?
The time?
Where?
That was in his house.
Where's the house?
Green Hills.
Green Hills. What street?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I know how to go there, but I don't know the name.
Yeah, I understand. And so he rejected.
No, he received it.
He received it.
Yeah.
Was
But
there
then-
anyone with you when he received it?
No.
Kayong dalawa lang.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
What year was this?
Year ba to? 2004, 2005, something.
Okay.
2000,
2004?
baka 2005. 2004, September 2000.
September 2004. Okay, please continue. So you gave the 5.7, he refused. He received it. Okay, please continue.
Then after a while, he returned it.
After?
After a while.
While. How much was that while?
How long?
How long?
Not very long. Siguro probably a week or two.
A week or two. Okay. Yeah, I can understand you're using your what you remember, no?
Yeah, that's a long time ago.
Yes, 2004. Yes. Okay, so that was a week or two. So what happened? Why did he return it? Of course you.
I asked him why, so he didn't say. So I didn't pursue the matter. I mean,
Can sandali, please. Could you please yung phone, yung microphone. Could you please talk to the microphone kasi people cannot hear.
okay.
Yeah. You asked him what's the matter.
I said I asked him why, and he didn't give a real reason. Yun niya, wag na lang, ganun lang.
Okay.
So I just took it at that.
Okay.
He returned it, and then I returned it to them.
Who is them?
I returned it to Janet Napoles and Ben-Hur, because it was Ben-Hur who always
Ben-Hur was present when you returned it. Ben-Hur, do you remember this?
as an officer.
Ben-Hur, do you remember this?
Sir, may instance po kasi na sinoli ni Miss Ruby Tuaso ng pera. So, hindi ko na po matandaan na. But, nag-return po siya at sinabi din po ni Miss Napoles na nasoli na hindi natuloy po yung agreement
Okay.
nila po.
Okay. We'd like to acknowledge the presence of Senators